Hey, what's up? Chesatochi for the love of crypto and coffee. And today's video, I'm going to introduce you Sidus NFTs Heroes. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end to know what is coming on by with this potential greatest game in a blockchain world. Stay tuned. Sidus NFT Heroes, and they have a play demo right now. I am on the website sidusheroes.com. As you can see, beautiful, well-designed graphics. So at high level, beautiful, it says Sidus transport player to a world based on crypto and blockchain philosophy, in which a major technological transformation has taken place, my friend. I'm just going to read a small introduction, read the rest for you, but real designing website graphic. They have a demo that I'm going to show you in a few minutes. But now just cover the main page, the beautiful, well-designed graphic, so you can seek adventure, build and equip your spaceship, and go on intergalactic missions. Wow, this is pretty outstanding, awesome. I love well-designed graphic. Build infrastructures in a world of chaos to be the maker. So you be a makers in a world of chaos, and you see this is really exciting. Defend your interests. This is really important when you're in the business, especially in the game. So participate in the political life of the universe. This is cool. Universe, you are the power, and you are an intergalactic engine, and you try to be politic with other races out there. This is really exciting. You side hero, look, is beautiful, well designed. I'm just going to read the first statement here. Sidus is a universe of NFT zeros that come from different blockchain planets. This is all about. Buy official, beware of scammer copies. A lot of scammer out there, so just be careful. Watch twice or third or 5 times. Not the bad words, but just be careful of scammers. We don't hate scammers, we hate them, but you just need to be cautious. But anyway, so let's keep going on the main focus of to discover this game with me. Heroes collections, Academy collections coming. So this is fully development. A lot of features is not yet fully operational in their website. You loyals company, so you can have a small pet probably. This is really cool. Nice, beautiful woman, well designed. I love this kind of graphics. I really enjoy that. Look, this beautiful, well-designed monster, craft and trade. Who doesn't like to try to trade and craft in a game? This is really cool. Explore the metaverse. Metaverse is a big trend right now as we speak. Customize your heroes, so you can customize my face. I can put a pirate hat or drink a coffee, my friend. So you can customize your avatar, and this is all about. This is really cool. Well, as a fight as one. This is cool. Build legends, unite heroes from different backgrounds, train and rise together. This is all about. Challenge others to duel so you make money. So if you fight someone that you want to fight and to feel the power in you, that you are the stronger enemy power and the universe, that is for you, my friend. So you have different kind of planets. So you have Big Quani, Itidus, Big Sasmina. Sorry if I spell it wrong. Solantrum and Avalaiwan. Sorry about my spelling, but anyway, they have great science fiction names that you can fight into those planets. This is really cool. So if you want to join them, you can to have the latest information. Put your nice email. So let's go jump to the demo section of this game. So when you click on the first page here, you can have the choice to see the play demo, and I will show you live, my friend, the play demo of this game. So as you can see, you need to click E. So I need to move around. So as you can see, but I don't know how this thing is working. So let's go see. Where's my hero app set? So you can incubate your characters. So I'm going to escape from that part. I don't know how to go. Come on, baby. So we are full screen right now. So, okay, I need to click exit. So I place E for interaction with this game, but I don't know how to exit. Where's my character? So I cannot do anything. So let's go back to, let's go see. I'm going to make again play demo, just make sure that I'm going to play full mod, just make sure everything's fine, because when I did the interaction, I pressed the E button, it was stuck there, so I cannot do anything. It takes some time to load the graphics. I don't know, you have TFAP. I'm going to close the other one here. So this is coming, my baby. Come on, baby. It's take a while to open the graphics. So as you can see, all this, the rest of the game is coming up soon, coming up soon, coming up soon, coming up soon. So it's a game in an infancy stage. As you can see, I am right now, and I can interact. So you, as usual, you have your four thing to where you can move the character, W, A, S, D. So I'm going to move around, but it's pretty hard. The move, you cannot back row, so you can just do advance and turn around with the A and D character. But right now, if you click on E and for interaction on E, I don't know how to exit, so I will not do it again. Just make sure. So I'm going to put it full graphic mode here, so you have more properly. So as you can see, beautiful, well designing graphics. You cannot do anything, just a demo in a web browser. So you move around, so you have different monsters here. It's pretty hard to move around. So I'm going to activate. I will not do it because I don't know, because this is just a demo, but they have some potentials at the long play. So as you can see, they have different kind of, it's just one map. You cannot do anything much with it, but it gives you an incentive to know what's coming, what kind of the graphic you can expect. And this is really cool. As you can see, you see the thing, the graphics, just as you play with the browser. And this is really cool. So you move around, beautiful, well designed. I love the green colors and move around, pretty cool. So as you can see, you turn around. I'm going to see those guys here. I'm just not quite sure if I can interact. So you press E, and I'm going to finish the game. So find companion first, then come to fight. I'll beat you alone. Okay. So you see people's interacting. Yeah, fight each other. So you will be able to fight in the arena. This is really cool. So just a small introductions, the look and feel of the graphic, but as I can mention it already, it's pretty hard to move around with they need to improve the movement of the characters on the area. I'm just going to click E. I don't know. So as soon you put there, I don't know how to remove it. It's pretty hard. So just take for the grain of salt, just a small introduction of this potential game and the blockchain rules, my friend. So I hope you really enjoyed this small introduction, and see you on the next video. And don't forget, if you enjoy this kind of content, smash the like button and join this channels and spread love to anyone you know in the crypto spheres or your family that might enjoy discover great gems or great stuff in the metaverse, NFTs, block DeFi and stuff like that. So see you on the next video, and have a great day, and thank you so much if you have watched it. Until now, you have all my gratitude, and have a great day ahead.